So very good morning guys. Today we're talking about one of the very important concept, that is Ohm's law. So Ohm's law. So everybody knows that Ohm's law, everybody knows. A simple formula, that is V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR is a Ohm's law where V stands voltage or potential difference and I is equal to current guys. I is equal to current. R is equal to resistance. So generally this V is equal to IR is called as scalar form. It is a scalar form. So now I want in the form of vector. So we want to prove that J bar is equal to sigma into E bar. So where J bar is charge density and sigma is conductivity, E bar is electric field. So before entering into this, we learn about these three things first. So first thing, what guys? Charge density. What is meant by charge density? So what is meant by charge density? J bar is equal to I by A bar. J bar is equal to I by A bar. Nothing but current per unit area. So J bar is equal to I by A bar. So from this, I is equal to J bar dot A bar. So that is the why I is called as a scalar quantity. Why? Because dot product always gives what guys? Scalar only. According to that, so I is a scalar. I is nothing but what guys? I is nothing but a current. Now let's see the V bar. What is meant by E bar? E bar is nothing but force experienced on a charge. So we have a test charge of Q is there. Q test charge is there. Some force experienced on the charge that always gives us a electric field. Nothing but the force experienced around a charge or around a conductor. Certainly we call it as electric field. So we know that R is equal to rho L by A. So R is equal to rho L by A, where R is resistance, rho is resistivity, L is length of the conductor, A is area of cross section of the conductor. So when we have like this, a conductor having a area of cross section A and length is L and resistivity is rho. So what is the resistance value? How to calculate? R is equal to rho L by A. And we know that V is equal to W by Q. Everybody knows V is equal to W by Q. So from this, V is equal to F into L by Q. Why? Because length of the conductor is L, force experienced on a charge is F. The force experienced on a charge is F. So according to that, V by L is equal to F by Q. So L is multiplier, come to this, it is a divider. We know everybody. So V by L is equal to F by P. F by Q means what guys? Just now we learned that. F by Q means what? E bar. So V by L is equal to V bar. Let's see guys now. Now our wish is that we want to prove this vector form of Ohm's law. Our wish, that is the wish of ours. Let's see how to derive this. So let's see guys, here we know V is equal to IR. So in the place of R, what can I substitute? V is equal to I, we have to keep like this. R is equal to what guys? Just now we learn R is equal to rho L by A. And I is I. So V is equal to, can I write like this? I by A into rho L guys. So V by L is equal to I by A into rho guys. So V by L, just now we learn V by L means what guys? E bar. I by A means what guys? J bar, current density. into sigma. Sorry, that is resistivity rho. Now I want in the form of, what is the vector form of Ohm's law? Vector form of Ohm's law is J bar is equal to, so this is multiplier, come to this, what happened, 1 by rho into E bar. So J bar is equal to 1 by rho. We know guys what is 1 by rho. 1 by rho nothing but sigma. Sigma means conductivity, C E bar. So simple, we have to derive J bar is equal to sigma E bar. It is a vector form of Ohm's law. Very simple to derive. Many people doing many things, but it is the finest way to get vector form of Ohm's law. Thank you people.